welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a viewer subscriber requested video. We're going to be going over how to do opportunity splits. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to go to the cog and go to setup, and then we're going to type in splits or split, and it will come up with opportunity split settings. Double click on that. All right, let's go ahead and set up our opportunity splits. So there are a few different types of opportunity splits. We can do revenue, or we can call it whatever we want. And we can make it equal to 100% or not equal to 100%. So when it equals 100%, then it's going to be 100% of the revenue. If that's not what your organization is doing, go ahead and twist and kind of change the settings on this. One thing that you should note is when you're doing opportunity splits and opportunity split settings, you should do it during off hours or when your users are logged out, because it will pause any scripts, triggers, flows, validation rules, that type of deal while it is going live. So I'm going to click save over here. And again, it's just telling you like, okay, you need to make sure that you have all these done. And let's go ahead and add it to all of our page layouts on our opportunities. And you can add users to customize related lists. I'm going to check that. I'm going to click save. All right, and they are enabling splits for all the opportunities. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and jump into an opportunity and check it out. Let's go to Burlington Textiles. Let's go ahead and go down to opportunity splits. So here you can see we have opportunity splits. I want to check out the details first. So we have our expected amount of revenue. So you can split it between your salespeople. And that's why you may not want it to be 100%. Let's say 20% goes to the business and then 80% is going to be dealt with or going to be a commission based. So let's go ahead and go to our opportunity splits. And I'm going to split it 50-50 with another user. So let's go ahead. I'm going to split it with Linda Harriman. And she's going to get 50%. And again, this does need to be 100%. All right, so there we go. We have just edited our opportunity split, and I'm going to click done. All right, and now you can see on this related list, I get 50%, which is 117,000, as well as Linda. She gets 117,000. Yeah, be sure that it fits within your requirements, and when you enable this, that your users are locked out and you have everything good to go. I will link down below some resources that talk about what you need to enable before doing this, as well as some other documentation. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I do have a course that I recently released, and it'll also be down in the description below. And I will catch you guys in the next one.